Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best scan tool for home mechanic. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, launch, model number, CRP123i. Launch CRP123i Diagnostic Scanner is an automatic transmission service tool that supports reading or erasing codes, viewing live data and turning off the warning light in the transmission system. The Launch CRP123i OBD2 scanner provides the user a detailed view into this critical component's operation and function, allowing fast, accurate and complete diagnosis of existing or potential issues. The diagnostic tool can help detect the engine ignition, fuel injection, air and fuel ratio, and exhaust emission conditions in engine system to enhance vehicle performance, save energy and reduce exhaust emission. 5-inch Android touchscreen, easy to operate. Launch Scan Tool CRP123i Car Check Engine, TCM, ABS and SRS to read and clear fault codes after you repair the car fault. Show 4-in-1 live data stream in graph. Retrieve vehicle information and switch the mill. This AutoVin only supports some vehicles. Some vehicles are not compatible. Launch CRP123i is an evolutionary smart solution for passenger car diagnosis. It inherits from Launcher's advanced diagnosing technology and is characterized by covering a wide range of vehicles, featuring powerful functions, and providing precise test result. Launch CRP123i OBD2 scanner can read and clear check engine light code on most 1996 and update models. Number 4. Brand name, Macar. Model number, CS90. Macar RCS90 is a scanner focusing on maintenance functions. It supports 28 maintenance functions for free for life, OBD2 full functions and engine system diagnosis. Macar RCS90 car scanner is suitable for auto repair shops, car dealers, mechanics and family. 4-in-1 live data stream and graph for vehicle operating conditions and automatically vehicle issue health reports with easily share and print via email. Online feedback helps solve your problems during diagnostic with repair info. You don't need to rely on the mechanics or auto repair shop. You can be the mechanic of your family, which is a great money saver for your family. The Macar RCS90 supports O-level engine system diagnostics with Automotive scan, 1.3 GHz 4-core CPU processor for faster diagnostic speed and smoother scanner operation, 5-inch HD touchable screen. Number 3, brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT710. Foxwell NT710 is a professional car scan tool for dealers, enthusiasts, independent repairs, specialized garages and technicians. Foxwell NT710 scan tool is a multi-system scanning diagnostic instrument specially designed for BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce cars, equipped with 5.5-inch TFT touchscreen and Android 9.0 operating system. 1 GB running storage, 32 GB RAM. It can speed up data transfer and diagnostics time. NT710 supports the saving and playback of diagnostic data, supports printing and sharing of diagnostic data reports, and displays the diagnostic data stream in 4-in-1 graphics and tables. One-click online free update anytime. You do not need any SD cards, cables or PC. Lifetime free updates, one-time payment, no extra cost. 31+ most frequently used maintenance service reset functions, help you repair cars. For car owners, can save thousands of money. For garage and mechanics, it surely will help you make money and grow business. Stable and smooth performance. Farewell to slow loading, thus enjoy fast diagnosis. Number 2. Brand name, Stool. Model number, D8. D8 Auto Scan Tool possessed with Android system, quad-core 1.8 GHz CPU processor, 2 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, which greatly increased the speed of running multiple tasks. With 10,000 mAh stronger rechargeable battery, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-frequency Wi-Fi, 4x faster transmission rate, 8 megapixel camera and built-in speaker, microphone. Supports external sound playback. Perfect choice for advanced DIY, auto repair shop, garage, car dealer and home mechanic. Automatically retrieve the vehicle identification number for comprehensive all-available system scan for quick diagnostics. Stool D8 is a bi-directional scan tool, allow you to perform the active test of vehicle system parts, while observing the resulting data to troubleshoot and fast repair. Bi-directional control function is a commonly used function for mechanic or workshop, can save you loads of time and help you get through more jobs every day. Number 1. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT604 Elite. This scan tool for all vehicles can automatically identify the vehicle and perform a quick scan, which allows you to quickly match the right updated software that will enhance the diagnostic capabilities and resolve compatibility issues. With the DTC lookup feature, the definitions of fault codes will be shown on the ABS scan tool, which will save your time and energy to check it online. Covering more than 60 car makes, this Foxwell scanner will allow you to access to almost all well-known cars, SUVs, light-duty trucks from all over the world. NT604 Elite Automotive Scanner is equipped with solid protective case, preventing your Optic scanner from damage. The NT604 Elite Diagnostic tool comes with latest software, which can be used out of box. No need to waste time to download the software first. It has fantastic Automotive feature, which will get your VIN information quickly instead of inputting it one by one. With this scanner, you can easily scan your car to the utmost extent.